Alright guys, back for another garage update for you. I just painted, so I'm afraid there was some overspray, but today's video is on lighting. I don't know if you can actually tell in the camera that this light is different than this light. They are different colors and they are in fact different bulbs. I'm actually gonna grab the camera in just 1 second here and give you kind of a little walk around, and you guys will actually be able to see that entire pile of lights that we're going to install today. Okay, so before I get into actually the setup, these are the lights that we are putting in today. They are 5000K in color, which is daylight. That is sort of the metric, the word that they use for it. It is daylight color, which is a sort of very bright white slash a little bit of blue, but it's very, very white. This is replacing T8 bulbs, which I currently have. Obviously I have fluorescence, and you know, last 32 years, whatever. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't do a ton of research before putting these in. I just wanted something I could just pop in as a plug and play instead of retrofitting the entire unit. 1800 lumens, which to be honest with you is not insanely bright, but if you do look at the difference, there is one. I also took off the color. So I did cheat on you guys a little bit. Let me see if this camera will focus. Yeah, so I took off the color on this bulb, or I took off the cover on this light fixture because I think the little diffuser sort of diffuses too much light, and we're gonna try it without it. Plus dirt and bugs can get in there. So for now, we're gonna leave it exposed. It's not as pretty, but I think we're gonna rock it. If you guys do you know, wanna look at the light, the regular light that is in here, this is kind of what it looks like. It's around 3000 in color. And this is the one that I just took the bulbs out, and I will show you the original bulbs that were in there. Let's see, is there one? So the original bulb does say 3500K in color, and it does say 32 watt right there. This was the original bulb that was in there, pretty yellow. The long-term plan will be to put 2 more fixtures, you know, one there and one there. This single bulb, it doesn't really count as a fixture for me, but I think it would be pretty easy. Instead of redoing the entire garage, these fixtures are sold at Home Depot for like 50 bucks. So I can just put 2 up there with the same color light bulbs, and we'll have pretty much everything matching. So let's get to work. I'll show you the rest of it. Not really that hard. It's really just plug and play, but it's gonna be a really, really nice difference. I can also hear the bulbs when they're on, which not really a fan of. Maybe, ooh, there we go. By the way, this little pry tool from Matt is sick. I've used it, it's like 10 bucks, and I've used it 24 times already. All right, that's nasty. So what I normally do is, they are warm. So I just unscrew it to cool it down, and in a minute or 2, I come and I grab it. Oh shit. Jesus, man, that's not what I want to do. I freaking broke the thing. Guess we're going without the covers. There we go. Sick. Oh, battery in the camera's about to run out. Really? Okay. Let's get this thing. All right, guys, pretty simple. I know probably doesn't deserve a full video, but this is yet another update to the garage. I'm gonna leave these covers off for now. Actually, I don't know if you can even see it. The cover for the light, I'm going to leave that off, which you can't really tell in the camera, but I'm gonna do a couple little time lapses for you so you get to see, but man, actually let me turn the camera around. I talk a lot because I'm really excited, but with the windows it's a little difficult, but you look at this versus this, and I'm not really sure if you guys can get a full understanding. This versus this definitely seems brighter on camera. All right, that's gonna do it. I will put a link in the description for what I did today. Pretty simple, and to be honest with you, I didn't really spend a lot of time figuring out what bulb, what's the perfect fixture, what's the perfect this, that, and the other. I knew what color I wanted. I knew what wattage I had to work with given the fixtures that were already in here. And then I knew that this is a lot cheaper than doing entirely new fixtures throughout the entire garage when, to be honest with you, the lighting is not that bad. For people like us, maybe we would want something more. I want something more. So I do have an idea, which I will be doing after the paint and all that stuff goes on regarding lighting. I've only seen it in one person's garage so far, and I think you guys are going to be in for a treat and probably a curveball because you probably won't expect it. So anyways, I will do a couple of time lapses, links in the description. See you guys next time. Almost ended the video. I gotta tell you guys something. There's something about lighting. I just had like this, I don't want to say emotional thing, but like once I got a few of the lights changed, it just feels like home now. Like the cars aren't even in here and there's nothing, the floor's all messed up and the ceiling's all messed up, but for some reason like the lighting and the like ambiance and just the whole feel of the garage feels like my garage now. And I know that sounds really silly, but like, and it, you know, lighting is just one thing, you know, do lighting if you like it, don't do it if you don't, but it's just one of those things like every so often it like hits you and you're like, this is freaking sick. Like we're having 5,000K, we're doing it right, and it just feels right. So I don't know, it's just kind of silly, but I'm just so pumped. So guys, stay tuned, buckle up. This is just the start, man. I mean, I can't help myself with the lighting, but just wait, just wait.